welcome. We are currently on the path to Cascade Falls. It's our first waterfall stop of this vlog. We are now at our second waterfall of the day. We're at David's Creek Forest.
Davies Creek.
Davies Creek Falls. The next morning, we're onto our third waterfall and we're currently on the track to get to Wyndon Falls. It's about an hour and a half there and an hour and a half back. It's super muddy and slippery and it's quite chilly because I'm wearing my jumper, so I'm sure the water up there will be freezing, but I'm sure it'll be worth it because the view from all the photos we've been seeing looks amazing. Okay, we have made it. We are so high up. There's the top of the waterfall and it just goes down. Oh, it's so beautiful, wow. Oh, it's freezing. We're at our fourth waterfall and we're currently at Unported Falls. So we just left Unported Falls and evidently they do lots of hair commercials there. It's such a beautiful waterfall, don't blame them. And now we're off to the next one, which is Zilly Falls.